How to increase endurance for men. Endurance is the ability to sustain physical activity over an extended period. It involves a combination of cardiovascular fitness, muscular endurance, and mental toughness. Here are some effective strategies to increase your endurance. 1. Consistent training. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Gradual progression. Start at a comfortable level and gradually increase the intensity, duration, or frequency of your workouts. Variety. Incorporate different types of exercise to prevent boredom and target different muscle groups. 2. Interval training. Alternate between high-intensity intervals and periods of rest. This can help improve your cardiovascular fitness and endurance. Example: run at a fast pace for 30 seconds, followed by a 30-second jog or walk. Repeat this cycle several times. 3. Strength training. Building muscle strength can improve your endurance. Incorporate strength training exercises into your routine, such as squats, lunges, and push-ups. Proper nutrition. Fuel your body by eating a balanced diet with plenty of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. And stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water before, during, and after exercise. Rest and recovery. Allow your body time to recover by taking rest days or reducing the intensity of your workouts as needed. Also, prioritize sleep and aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Mental toughness. Develop a positive mindset by visualizing yourself succeeding and focusing on your goals. And practice mindfulness techniques like meditation and deep breathing to help reduce stress and improve focus. Cross-training is key. Incorporate other forms of exercise, swimming, cycling, or even yoga can help improve your overall fitness and prevent injuries. Join a group or class. Training with others can provide motivation and accountability. Plus, group activities can make exercise a lot more enjoyable. Listen to your body. Pay attention to any pain or discomfort. Avoid overtraining and be sure to take rest days when needed. Set realistic goals. Establish achievable goals to stay motivated and track your progress. Celebrate your achievements to stay inspired. Additional tips for improving endurance. Proper form, good technique can help prevent injuries and improve your efficiency. Focus on maintaining proper form during your workouts. Avoid overtraining. Listen to your body and take rest days when needed. Overtraining can lead to fatigue, injury, and decreased performance. Incorporate hill training. Running or cycling uphill can help build strength and endurance. Set realistic goals. Establish achievable goals to stay motivated and track your progress. Find a workout buddy. Training with a friend can make your workouts more enjoyable and help you stay accountable. Join a running or cycling club. Connecting with others who share your interests can provide support, motivation, and opportunities for group activities. The benefits of improved endurance. Increasing your endurance can offer numerous benefits, including enhanced cardiovascular health. Improved endurance can reduce your risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. Weight management. Endurance training can help you burn calories and maintain a healthy weight. Mental health benefits. Exercise has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Improved performance. Increased endurance can enhance your performance in various activities, whether it's running, cycling, or playing sports. Boosted confidence. Achieving your endurance goals can boost your self-esteem and confidence. Additional tips for improving endurance. Incorporate plyometrics. Plyometric exercises such as jumping jacks, burpees, and box jumps can help improve your power and explosiveness, which can contribute to increased endurance. Practice yoga or Pilates. These practices can improve your flexibility, balance, and core strength, all of which can benefit your endurance. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to recover and repair. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can negatively impact your endurance. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially during and after exercise. Consider supplements. While a balanced diet should provide most of the nutrients you need, some athletes may benefit from supplements like creatine or beta-alanine. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before taking any supplements. Find a workout buddy. Training with a friend can make your workouts more enjoyable and help you stay motivated. Join a sports team. Participating in a team sport can be a fun and effective way to improve your endurance. Set realistic goals. Establish achievable goals to stay motivated and track your progress. Celebrate your achievements. Reward yourself for reaching your milestones to stay inspired. The benefits of improved endurance. In addition to the benefits mentioned earlier, improved endurance can also reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Regular exercise can help reduce your risk of heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Improve cognitive function. Exercise has been shown to enhance memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. Boost your mood. Regular physical activity can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Increase your energy levels. Improved endurance can help you feel more energized throughout the day. Enhance your quality of life. Overall, improved endurance can lead to a better quality of life. Increasing your endurance requires a combination of consistent training, proper nutrition, mental focus, and adequate rest. By following the strategies outlined in this guide, you can enhance your stamina, improve your overall health, and achieve your fitness goals. Remember, the journey to increased endurance is a gradual process, so be patient and persistent. With dedication and effort, you can unlock your full potential and experience the many benefits it brings.